Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, DXGI error device removed error. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H-key local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand control. Click graphics drivers. Right-click New, D-word 32-bit value. Type TDR level. T and L are capital letters. Change value data to 0. Close and exit registry editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.